So I have a little piece of wood here stabilizing the motor so that it doesn't move around too much. I'm doing a capture, which is cycling power to the controller. And we have AC controller, firmware, config, max RPM 10,000, config. Okay, raw throttle is 0, and we're going to do a run motor test. So we're at 43 amps almost immediately. Bouncing a little bit, not very much. My bus is at 124.7. Amps. Forty-two, 42.7, 42.5. So here we go with the bouncing. So we're as high as 61 amps, down to 44, 55. The motor is rotating back and forth, so there's some pretty serious regen happening. So I'm just going to try and hold the motor down, see if that helps. I'm seeing 20 to 55 amps here. There's some pretty serious hunting here. I got my hands right on the motor. There's no heat in here, so this is, I don't believe it has anything to do with thermal. It could have something to do with a bad decoder signal. I've got the unshielded cable just running over top of the motor here and on the other side. Perhaps we'll give that a try here when this exits. We're down around 29, 30 amps. Regen there at 45, 55 amps. we're showing 42 amps at whatever speed we're going here, which is a lot of juice. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So I'm gonna go put in one a few times, drop her from 40 amps down to 5 amps maybe. I see AC controller firmware version 1.0, so I don't know whether I'm doing a buffer overflow or what's going on, but I'm still at 15 amps. So I'm going to continue hitting 1. 5 more times, I'm down to 8 amps. 5 more times, I'm down to 1.7 amps. 0.1 amps. So I'm going to go check how high I got. 5,096 is the highest, which I'll count the index. At 20, I've got 5,058. From 28, I got 5,096. I'm going to go config and select. I got stator resistance and stator inductance. I'm going to rotor time constant index 28, and then I'm going to hit 2 a couple times. I'm at 22 amps. We're speeding up. And I'm going to stop speeding up. 15 amps. 8.3 amps, 8.1 amps. So you can hear it slowing down a little bit. So that seems to be reasonable. I'm going to type config. And I don't know that the stator resistance or inductance have changed. The rotor time constant index is the only thing that looks like it's changed. And what else do I need to do? I'm going to try slowing it down with my finger. It looks like it's going to slow to a stop. We're at 10 amps and it doesn't look to be turning. Well, it looks like it's not accelerating, but it's still turning. So 12 amps, 10.6 was what we were at, 12 amps. Sounds like it's slowly speeding up, very slowly. Thirteen and a half amps. Yep, that's a very, very gentle acceleration. I can't slow it back down with my finger. Well, that looks like it's good. It's weird that the AC controller message came up a couple of times here. Not sure why exactly. Perhaps I had assumed that it was rebooting and it wasn't in fact rebooting. I don't know what else was happening. Okay, I'm not sure what else to do here. We're at 124.6 volts on the bus. We can accelerate, we can decelerate. Oh, the other thing I was going to do is find out what speed we're going. And without a tachometer, all I'm going to be able to do is set the max RPM down and wait for it to trip. Which, let's set max RPM to 1,000. Actually, let's start with 2,000. And I would say that we are not at 2,000. Max RPM 1,500. Max RPM 1,000. Everything went up to 1,000. 750. Okay, so we're above 750 and below 1,000 because max motor overspeed fault, motor RPM got too high. Current went down to 0, and there we sit. So I guess I should find out what else Paul is looking for and get that done. Maybe posting the video is the most important now, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm going to shut off the capture. And I'm going to shut off the power, off the meter, this meter, and oh, that was the other thing I was going to do. I was going to do a trial with the with a little bit of separation between my encoder cable and my motor. Since the interference that you get is, after all, proportional to the distance. So we're going to give that a try.